check them. You've got the thicker piece here, that means that's the bottom. You've got the thinner piece here, that means that is the top. And remember, we're always going to coat the opposite side. So this is how we're going to assemble it, this way. You can think of it like this, and then turn it over because that is the side that we are going to glitter. Now, you guys have the Glimmer Cure Pearl in your kit. If you want to try something different, I strongly urge you to. You can use if you have another Glimmer Cure kit and you want to try a different color, you can also do that. We do have you can use the Glitter Skim or the Glimmer Cure, whichever you prefer. And we're going to go ahead and take this off. And once you get your paper removed, we're going to sand that piece. I know, the watering can's awesome.
Very cute.
There we go. All right, so give that a light sand. And again, that's 180 to 220. Just depends on what you have on hand. I like to use wet dry sandpaper. Doesn't have to be, but I actually do prefer it because when I'm sanding my tumblers or anything in bulk, I like to do it in water because it really reduces the amount of dust that flies through the air, and it makes it much easier to clean up. We're gonna go ahead and wipe that clean, and I'm gonna show you how quick and easy the Glimmer Cure can be. Okay, so we are gonna do silver on here. Now you do have silver glitter in your kit, so you can use that and follow the same method with the UV resin. Or if you do happen to have the Glimmer Cure, this is how easy it is, because you're just going to pipe it on and then you're just going to spread it out. So you're not going to have to mix or do any of that. We're going to move this from the middle to the edge, just like we did on the snail. This has a variety of cuts of glitters, so it's not going to be like the microfine where it's just one solid different, or one solid the same cut all the way around. You're going to have a lot of different facets in it because it's a chunky and microfine glitter mixed together. So it's just a different kind of look. It's whatever you prefer. All right, so I'm going to pull this all the way out to the end. We're going to make sure it's nice and even. Making sure it gets all the way to the edge. And then we are going to use our lighter once again. Give it a little bit of heat. So we're going to cure that for 60 seconds, 36 watts. We are going to go ahead and sand that. And we're going to remove the back paper from the one that we already poured. And that's what it looks like. Super pretty.
So pretty.
Matches this one.